how you can make your first $500 with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, as you're watching this video right now, I'm going to show exactly step by step how you can, as a beginner in 2024, start generating at least 500 to 750 US dollars per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using TikTok as your traffic source. Now, why TikTok? Let me show you here. Before I go into here, let me show over here. You can see in the last 7 days, if I refresh, let's say let's 28 days, had 1.4 million views. 1.4 million views. This is all free organic traffic. Now, of course, this can be also done with Facebook or Google Ads, okay? But with TikTok, in 2024, it's a Wild West. So it's like a cowboys in Texas, you know, like it's Facebook in 2013, for example, where lots of affiliates on Clickbank were making thousands of dollars per day easily. And why I'm saying easily is because of the algorithm. There was no, Facebook Pixel used to work really well. You didn't have to do any targeting at all. You could just do broad targeting, and you could make sales left and right 24/7 like a clockwork. Now, in 2024, as you can see over here, TikTok is another potential traffic source where you can utilize it as a beginner. If you have 20 to 40 minutes per day, you can do that, okay? Of course, if your goal is to make sustainable passive income with affiliate marketing. Now, in the last 7 days, you can see, look, 4,000 comments. This has been really great engagement for free, 336,000. Now, if you're a beginner and you're wondering, do I have to show my face? Do I have to make my own face video? No, it can be faceless niche channels. What do I mean by that? It can be weight loss, diabetes space, back pain, hobby space like golf, woodworking. There are so many people making great videos and having affiliate links from Clickbank or Warrior, JVZoo, Warrior Plus affiliate networks, copying and pasting affiliate links there, direct linking. Yes, I'm saying not even having to have a website, direct linking and sending traffic to these affiliate pages. Now, as you can see over here, right? In the last, let's go back to 60 days, there was 2.8, almost 3 million views. Imagine you have 1 or 2 sales. I mean, you don't have to have 3 million views. Even though you have only 300 views, 500 views, and you're getting 1 sale to 3 sales per day for $250, $300 every day, it's a great thing, right? Now, how you can do that? Before I go into it, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, Facebook, or even WhatsApp me, right? So Instagram over here, you can follow me here. You can ask me any questions regards to affiliate marketing, making money online in 2024 as a beginner. If you really want to have this kind of results, as you can see here on my page, right? So let's go now straight into it so I can show you how this is done. Over here, let's have a look. Once you have someone, okay, who's gonna help you personally one-on-one, step by step, you'll be able to spend 20 to 30 minutes a day to start generating $500 affiliate commissions. But remember, first of all, it's all about message to the market match. We have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, right? So let's say this is the person A, they're looking for a product to lose weight. And this is your offer, okay? This is the bridge that we have to close to have the wholeness. Now, you don't have to learn that. This can all be done for you, but just for the purpose of these videos, you can understand that it's all about the audiences. You can copy and paste this. Yes, it's easy once you get the bigger picture, but you need to have someone who can guide you and show exactly how this is done. Okay, now the most important thing over here is, as I said before, message to the market match. You need to have the right audience, okay? The right audience. Some people can have millions of views, but if it's in entertainment space, you will not get many sales. Some people can have 10 views and get 1 or 2 sales or 3 sales out of 10 views, 10 clicks, okay, on Clickbank, because those are ultra VIP targeted buyers clicks. Those are buyers, okay? They are already looking. They are out there, for example, on Google to get educated about the product review, or to buy the product, right? So that's it. Now let's do the math. Let's say you want to make 500 USD per day, okay? So in order for you to do that, you need to do the math. It's simple as that. On Clickbank, for example, if you go there, you will see you have products up to, I don't know, they're paying up to, let's say, even 500, let's say $300 per sale. What do I mean by that? It means on the front end, you have usually product for $60, and then you will have upsell one for, let's say, 120 US dollars, and then another downsell or upsell. Okay, so at the end of the day, let's say approximately $300 to $400 per sale you can make from one sale, Clickbank, or even more. All right, but I'm talking about low ticket, not high ticket right now. Why? Because with low ticket buyers, it's easy to make money. Okay, it's just a credit card swipe, and everyone can spend $27 to $100, right, for a product. It's not too expensive. Now you can see over here, right? Why most people are afraid to spend money on ads is because they don't understand the math of how this works in 2024. Okay, so how this would work is, let's say you spend $50 per day for TikTok ads, let's say, or Google ads in this case, $50 per day, and you can make up to $300 per sale with all the upsells. So it means from one person who buy the whole entire funnel, all the upsells, you can make $250 profit after spending $50 in a day. Now, do you see, my friend, how we together can make really good income? Okay, because there are people who are buying products online. Is it true? I'm asking you, is it true? Answer yourself. There are people buying products 24/7 as we speak, as you're watching my video, listening to my voice right now. Maybe you're sitting somewhere, maybe you are in the car, maybe you are in a house somewhere. Okay, people around you are buying around your area things online right now. Now, what I'm asking, my friend, is why don't you take advantage of this to have unfair advantage of everyone else and start making money off of this device you have in your pocket, your mobile phone? Okay, because it's easy as that. Once you have someone who can finally help you in 2024. All right, so we do the math. Okay, how much money you can make. Now what you can do next. So as you watch this video, if you are someone who wants to become professional, who wants to spend 20 to 40 minutes per day without showing your face online with one page affiliate sites promoting Clickbank products or any other products online, high quality, making $350 to $700 per day in profit, then yes, this is something for you. And of course, if you're not excuse maker, if you're someone who doesn't procrastinate, and if you have at least minimum 500 to 5,000 US dollars to take it serious, to be making, let's say, $5,000 per week, or let's say $500 per day, how much would it be worth it? Okay, what's important to you about getting this done, about getting these results? Ask yourself these questions. If you really want to take it to the next level, let me know after subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, or reach out to me, as I showed before. My WhatsApp number, it's below in the description, also my email and my Instagram, where you can reach out to me. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.